The Serpentine table adds dramatic flair and style in a world of rigid straight lines. We've set up 4 Serpentine tables in an S-curve layout. Each Serpentine table comfortably hosts 1 guest on the inside curve and 4 guests on the outside curve. This table layout takes up to 23.85 feet by 5.75 feet. In summary, 4 Chivari Serpentine tables seats 22 people in just 24 feet. The Elongated Snake Layout mixes the curve appeal of the Serpentine table with the additional seating capacity of the traditional rectangular table. We've set up 4 Serpentine tables with 5 rectangular tables, measuring 60 by 40 inches. Each Serpentine table comfortably hosts 1 guest on the inside curve and 4 guests on the outside curve. This layout easily seats 42 guests comfortably. This configuration, as shown, takes up 43.62 feet by 9.29 feet. The enclosed circle layout creates a large table where everyone seated can see everyone else. This configuration, as shown below, takes up nearly 12 feet by 12 feet, 4 Serpentine tables. That adds up to 16 comfortable guests in total. The U-shaped layout creates a fun layout with a forward focus. You can set the chairs on just the outer curve, which keeps a forward focus, or add 4 additional chairs to maximize seating. We've set up 2 Serpentine tables. Each Serpentine table comfortably hosts 4 guests on the outside curve. That adds up to 8 comfortable guests in total. This configuration, as shown below, takes up to nearly 12 feet by 6 feet. The Capsule Bridge Layout is an easy way to expand the circle layout for additional seating. In this example, we've set up 4 Serpentine tables plus 2 rectangular tables. Each Serpentine table comfortably hosts 4 guests on the outside curve, while each rectangular table can seat 2 guests on the outside. That adds up to 20 comfortable guests in total. This configuration, as shown, takes up nearly 17 feet by 12 feet. Get your Serpentine tables today at Chivari.com.